One man, one vote principle was recommended by McLagan Committee, Minto Morley, Gorwala Committee, All India Rural Credit Review Committee. Correct answer option A, McLagan Committee. Cooperation is included in the dash list of the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. First, second, third, none of the above. Correct answer option B, second. Who has the right to sign the identity card of the member of a society? Secretary, President, Board, Registrar. Correct answer option A, Secretary. To draw up a plan of cooperative development was the term of a reference of which committee? Rural Credit Survey Committee, Rural Credit Review Committee, VL Mehta Committee, Saraiya Committee. Correct answer option D, Saraiya Committee. Cooperation in India as a plant held in possession with both hands by the government since its roots refuse enter in the Indian soil was the remark of Cooperative Planning Committee, Rural Credit Review Committee, Rural Credit Survey Committee, Committee on Cooperative Credit. Correct answer option C, Rural Credit Survey Committee. Dash was the chairman of the All India Rural Credit Review Committee. B. Venkidapai, V.L. Mehta, R.G. Saraiya, A.D. Gorwala. Correct answer option A, B. Venkidapai. One of the most important recommendation of Dash Committee was Small Farmers Development Agency, Cooperative Planning Committee, Mirdha Committee, V.L. Mehta Committee, All India Rural Credit Review Committee. Correct answer option D, All India Rural Credit Review Committee.
The headquarters of CAPEX is at Kollam, Cochin, Kannur, Alappuzha. Correct answer option A, Kollam. Which of the following is not a unique feature of cooperatives? Democratic management, independence, economic participation of members, voluntary association of people. Correct answer option B, dependence. Cooperative credit societies are highly leveraged institutions in the sense that their total liabilities could amount to a large multiple of their own funds. Their loans are mostly unsecured. Their assets are several multiples of their own funds. All of the above. Correct answer option A. Their total liabilities could amount to a large multiple of their own funds. The Rockdale Equitable Pioneers Cooperative Society was organized on 1/1/1944, 21/12/1944, 15/4/1943, 12/6/1945. ചോദ്യത്തിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഓപ്ഷനുകൾ ശരിയുത്തരമില്ല. Dash was organized cooperative credit institution in Germany for the benefit of villagers. Herrick, Raiffeisen, Holyoke, Hermann Schulz. Correct answer option B, Raiffeisen. Who defined cooperation as something more than a system? It is a spirit which appeals to the heart and mind. It is a religion applied to business. It is a gospel of self-sufficiency and service. M.L. Darling, Holyoke, Mr. Fay, V.L. Mehta. Correct answer option A, Malcolm Darling. The idea of cooperative commonwealth was first conceived by Robert Owen, Dr. William King, D.R. Gadgil, V.L. Mehta. Correct answer option C, D.R. Gadgil. Dash was the first committee that studied the working of cooperative movement in India. Imperial Committee, Cooperative Planning Committee, D.R. Gadgil Committee, none of the above. Correct answer option A, Imperial Committee. The study team on cooperative education headed by Dash made suggestions for the development of cooperative education and training. V.L. Mehta, Swaminathan, Rural Credit Survey Committee, Professor Agarwal. Correct answer option B, Swaminathan. The International Cooperative Congress held in 1963 appointed a commission under the chairmanship of Dash to formulate the fundamental principles of cooperation. Howard A. Cowden, Professor I. Istanov, A. Bonner, D.G. Carvey. Correct answer option D. D.G. Carvey. Indian Cooperative Review is a dash of NCUI, Annual Research Journal, Monthly Journal, Bio-Monthly Journal, Quarterly Research. Correct answer option D. Quarterly Research. Germany is the birthplace of cooperative agriculture marketing, land mortgage banking, commercial banking, regional rural banks. Correct answer option B. Land mortgage banking. In dash, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation was established 1955, 1958, 1965, 1972. Correct answer option B. 1958. Election to representative general body. Along with the nomination paper, the candidate shall deposit rupees dash in the society 250, 125, 100, 500. Correct answer option C. 100. The result of the election shall be recorded in the minute book of the society and attested by the dash, and shall also be notified immediately on the notice board of the society. Electoral officer, secretary of the society, returning officer, assistant returning officer. Correct answer option C. Returning officer. All the books and records of a liquidated society shall be retained by the liquidator in his office for a period of dash from the date of the report as mentioned in section 73(3). 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 1 year. Correct answer option B. 3 years. Which among the following officers who is not empowered to convene general body meeting? Enquiry officer, liquidator, administrator, returning officer. Correct answer option D. Returning officer. A sum of money equal to dash of the price of the immovable property shall be deposited by the purchaser with the sale officer at the time of purchase, and in default of such deposit the property shall forthwith be sold 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%. Correct answer option B. 15%. Every appeal memorandum to the tribunal under subsection 1 of the section 22 shall be in form number dash of appendix 2, 15, 16, 17, 18. Correct answer option A. 15. Who shall be the returning officer for the conduct of election of members of Circle Cooperative Union? Assistant Registrar General of the concerned Taluk, Assistant Director of Cooperative Audit of the concerned Taluk, Joint Registrar of General of the concerned district, Joint Director of Cooperative Audit of the concerned district. Correct answer option B. Assistant Director of Cooperative Audit of the concerned Taluk. Age limit for appointment by direct recruitment shall be specified in rule dash of the KCS rules 181, 182, 183, 184. Correct answer option C. 183. The application for reclassify a marketing cooperative society from existing class to the next higher class shall be accompanied by a chellan receipt of rupees 5,000, 1,000, 500, 100. Correct answer option C. 500. Every application for opening of branch by a PACS shall be accompanied by a chellan receipt of rupees 10,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Correct answer option D. 5,000. As per KCS rules, which general body having the power to elect the president for the meeting? Last general body, special general body, first general body, annual general body. Correct answer option C. First general body. Every members of a society shall exercise his vote in person, through a delegate, through a proxy, through a person authorized. Correct answer option A. In person. Who appoint a presiding officer to conduct the election of the office bearers of cooperative societies? Government, Cooperative Election Commission, Registrar, Governor of Kerala. Correct answer option B, Cooperative Election Commission. A copy of a resolution expelling a member shall be communicated to the member within a period of dash from the date of passing of the resolution. 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. Correct answer option C, 15 days. As per Rule 51A, the loan may be sanctioned on the basis of declaration, and such declaration shall be in form number 8B, form number 8C, form number 8E, form number 8D. Correct answer option D, form number 8D. At present, the maximum borrowing power of a cooperative society is restricted up to dash of its paid up share capital and reserve fund. 50 times, 100 times, 125 times, 150 times. Correct answer option D, 150 times. A report showing the names and address of the members of the committee which has taken charge and date on which they took charge shall be sent to the registrar, financing bank and circle cooperative union by the dash of society within a week of their taking charge. Paid secretary, president, honorary secretary, managing committee. Correct answer option B, president. An apex society which is provided monies by the government under section 43 shall with such monies establish a fund to be called the subsidiary state partnership fund, principal state partnership fund, agricultural credit stabilization fund, professional education fund. Correct answer option B, principal state partnership fund. It shall be the duty of every officer and employee of the society to cooperate with and assist in supervision and inspection, to furnish any information that may be required for the purpose, and to produce the books, records, cash balance, etc. on demand by such officer at the time of inspection, failing which it shall be treated as an offence under section 94.3, 94.4a, 94.4, 94.4b. Correct answer option C, 94.4. As per Rule 15, Kerala State Cooperative Federation for Fisheries Development is included under dash society. Producers, consumers, marketing, processing. Correct answer option A, producers. The process of predetermining the cost of a product or job or order is called cost estimation, cost ascertainment, cost allocation, historical cost. Correct answer option A, cost estimation. Operating ratio is complementary to dash ratio, net profit, gross profit, overall payout. Correct answer option A, net profit.
For reducing the labor cost per unit, which of the following factors is the most important? Low wages rate, higher input-output ratio, strict control and supervision, longer hours of work. Correct answer option B, higher input-output ratio. Sale of fixed asset at a price greater than the book value would
owner's equity unaffected, increase owner's equity to the extent of profit, decrease owner's equity to the extent of profit, outsiders equity decreased. Correct answer option B, increase owner's equity to the extent of profit. Insurance claim received on account of furniture damaged completely by fire is capital receipt, revenue receipt, capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. Correct answer option A, capital receipt. EOQ is equal to square root of 2CO by I. Here O refers to annual usage, cost of placing one order, quantity to be ordered, consumption of material. Correct answer option B, cost of placing one order. The super quick asset means current asset excluding stock and prepaid expenses, stock, prepaid expense and debtors, prepaid expense and debtors. Correct answer option C, stock, prepaid expenses and debtors. Suspense account credit balance given in the trial balance will be shown asset side of balance sheet, liability side of balance sheet, income side of profit and loss account, balance sheet and profit and loss account. Correct answer option B, liability side of balance sheet. Depreciation charged in the initial years will be more under dash method, fixed installment, original cost, reducing installment, output. Correct answer option C, reducing installment. Final account of a cooperative society is prepared with the help of trial balance, R&D statement and opening balance sheet, trial balance and opening balance sheet. Correct answer option C, R&D statement and opening balance sheet. The practice of appending notes to the accounting statement is in pursuant to the convention of conservatism, consistency, materiality, full disclosure. Correct answer option D, full disclosure. Accounting principles are generally based on profitability, practicability, legality, subjectivity. Correct answer option B, practicability. Costs which become part of the cost of product rather than an expense for the period is called period cost, product cost, fixed cost, variable cost. Correct answer option B, product cost. The working capital turnover ratio is calculated with the help of working capital and sales, net sales, credit sales, capital. Correct answer option B, net sales. Provision for discount on debtors is treated as current liability which reduces the amount of total liability, fixed asset, current asset, capital. Correct answer option C, current asset. Account sale is prepared and sent by consignor, consignee, principal, seller. Correct answer option B, consignee. Loss of goods by theft, fire, etc. are shown. Debit side of trading account, credit side of profit and loss account, liability side of balance sheet, credit side of trading account. Correct answer option D, credit side of trading account. Sinking fund is created for the purpose of maintain liquidity, maintain safety, replacement of wasting asset, repay short-term liability. Correct answer option C, replacement of wasting asset. Heavy advertisement expense to launch a new product, capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, deferred revenue expenditure, miscellaneous expenditure. Correct answer option C, deferred revenue expenditure. Which of the following statement is true? Debtor can draw a bill of exchange, creditor can draw a bill of exchange, bank will draw a bill on customer at the time of OD, buyer can draw a bill of exchange. Correct answer option B, creditor can draw a bill of exchange. Mutual funds are organized in the form of company, trust, partnership, MNC. Correct answer option B, trust. A check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified customer, endorser, banker, company. Correct answer option C, banker. Nomination facility to deposit accounts are allowed as per KCS Act, Contract Act, RBI Act, BR Act. Correct answer option D, BR Act. Mixed banking is a system of banking in which the banks combine both dash banks, deposit and industrial banks, deposit and foreign banking, industrial and agricultural banks, deposit and local banking. Correct answer option A, deposit and industrial banks. The electronic image of a paper check is crossed check, mutilated check, truncated check, open check. Correct answer option C, truncated check. RTGS system was introduced by RBI in 2005, 2004, 2015, 2016. Correct answer option B, 2004. Bharat Interface for Money, BHIM, is payment app launched to bring in financial inclusion, disburse loan, KYC details, prevent frauds in banks. Correct answer option A, financial inclusion. Dash is a mobile banking facility that enables customers to use mobile banking without smartphone or internet connection. Google Pay, Paytm, USSD, IMPS. Correct answer option C, USSD. Choose a wrong one. Risk is widespread in retail banking. Retail banking is mass market banking model. In cooperative banking, there is no retail banking. Client base will be larger in retail banking. Correct answer option C. In cooperative banking, there is no retail banking. Dash is a time-bound bill, which means the payment has to be made with a given time period. Nuisance bill, demand bill, kite bill, supply bill. Correct answer option A, nuisance bill. National Payment Corporation of India was founded in the year 2016, 2008, 2006, 2018. Correct answer option B, 2008. Basic savings bank deposit account is mainly meant for dash people, business people, middle income people, poor people, employees. Correct answer option C, poor people. Section 5B of Banking Regulation Act deals definition of bank, form of business in banking company, engage, prohibition of trading, maintenance of CRR. Correct answer option A, definition of bank. In dash type of joint account, only one, the first account holder primary can access and operate the account till the time he or she is alive, either or survivor, anyone or survivor, former or survivor, later or survivor. Correct answer option C, former or survivor. Not negotiable closing deals dash section of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, 131, 89, 130, 85. Correct answer option C, 130. Under dash endorsement, the endorser make it clear that one should incur any expense on his account in respect of instrument dishonored. Facultative, sans price, sans recourse, per pro. Correct answer option B, sans price. The security deposited by the borrower himself as cover for a loan is called primary security, secondary security, collateral security, special security. Correct answer option A, primary security. NABARD was set up in 1981, 1979, 1980, 1982. Correct answer option D, 1982. When a guarantee is given for a future debt, it is called continuing guarantee, retrospective, prospective, simple guarantee. Correct answer option C, prospective. Venture capital is also known as risk capital, non-risk capital, working capital, fixed capital. Correct answer option A, risk capital. The profitability of a business can be ascertained by operating ratio, expense ratio, net profit ratio, gross profit ratio. Correct answer option C, net profit ratio. Acid test ratio is helpful to know immediate cash position, short-term obligators, efficiency of trading, none of the above. Correct answer option A, immediate cash position. Procedure for writing of a bad debt of a cooperative society is laid down in section 62, section 63, rule 62, none of the above. Correct answer option C, rule 62. It shall be the duty of dash to revise the Kerala Cooperative Audit Manual in every 5 years. Registrar, Government, Director of Cooperative Audit, none of the above. Correct answer option C, Director of Cooperative Audit. The audit report of Apex Cooperative Society shall be laid before the Director of Cooperative Audit, Government, Legislative Assembly, none of the above. Correct answer option C, Legislative Assembly. The audit fee shall be paid by society within dash of the receipt of audit certificate, 60 days, 90 days, 1 month, none of the above. Correct answer option C, 1 month. Rectification of defects mentioned in the audit certificate is the responsibility of Chief Executive, Audit Director, Managing Committee, Auditor. Correct answer option C, managing committee. Dash shall be primarily responsible for the maintenance and safety of all accounts, records, cash and other assets of the society. Secretary, manager, committee, president. Correct answer option C, committee. No society shall dispose of any immovable property acquired by the society without the prior permission of registrar, general body and registrar, DCA. Correct answer option C, general body and registrar. The audit fee of a primary ADB is calculated on working capital, gross income, aggregate of loans issued and that recovered during the year, sale proceeds. Correct answer option C, aggregate of loans issued and that recovered during the year. What is the College of Syndics? Cooperative Education Agency in Italy, Cooperative National Council, the Audit Committee of ENTE, Cooperative Education Institution in Germany. Correct answer option C, the Auditing Committee of ENTE. The appointment of auditors in multi-state cooperative societies is laid down as per section 63, 70, 72, 73. Correct answer option B, 70. The audit of multi-state cooperative societies is conducted by government auditors, concurrent auditors, chartered accountant, cooperative union. Correct answer option C, chartered accountants. The Kerala Cooperative Audit Manual is first revised in the year 1983, 2000, 2021, 2022. Correct answer 2021. Cooperation is the law of life. Who said this? John Ruskin, William King, Robert Owen, Charles Fourier. Correct answer option A, John Ruskin. Audit is necessary to maintain the public image of cooperation and to assure the state and the general public that the movement is proceeding on right lines. Ascertain the authority of these boards. Ram Nivas Mirdha Committee, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee, All India Rural Credit Review Committee, McLagan Committee. Correct answer option A, Ram Nivas Mirdha Committee. The system of audit unions in India was suggested by Frederick Nicholson, A.D. Gorwala, McLagan, B. Shivasenan. Correct answer option C, McLagan. Verification of KYC norms in audit is prescribed by the registrar in circular number 27/17, 30/13, 22/16, 1/20. Correct answer option B, 30/13.
Profit on revaluation of asset is transferred to revaluation reserve, capital reserve, secret reserve, general reserve. Correct answer option B, capital reserve. Goodwill is a dash asset, tangible asset, loss asset, intangible asset, none of the above. Correct answer option C, intangible asset.